Both GPUs and CPUs rely on chips, microchips. Microchips in CPUs, central processing units, and GPUs, graphics processing units, are semiconductor devices containing billions of transistors. CPUs handle general-purpose tasks, while GPUs are specialized for parallel processing, crucial for graphics rendering, gaming, and AI applications, providing efficient, high-speed computing power. Disclaimer: I would interpret the data with my unique analysis only for educational and entertainment purposes based on the latest chip data. Do your own research. My mission is to empower the hardworking people in the microchip industry. This tutorial is sponsored by me. I'm creating www.ascendance.dev. I'm working really hard to create the best indicators that are strategic statistics for industries, to empower content creators, predict trends, and do business intelligence. I'm using special algorithms. Why the sentiment is 72-100 so good for the chips industry? Innovative and growth-oriented language. The positive keywords include terms like advanced, cutting edge, growth, invest, and boost. These suggest a focus on innovation, investment, and growth within the industry, contributing to the positive sentiment. We must be cautious with bad scenarios. An example is if the global supply chain disrupts. Widespread disruptions in the global supply chain, perhaps due to geopolitical tensions or natural disasters, could lead to severe shortages of key materials or delays in chip manufacturing. This would likely increase the prevalence of negative keywords such as delays, shortages, and disruptions. Countries with more minerals and metals should benefit their people.